Hey everybody, so I picked up a few items from Walmart. We're going to just do a quick video and I'll unbox the items separately in separate videos and talk about them. Some electronics, a couple car items, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching, man. Alright everybody, how's it going today? So this is just going to be a quick look video. We'll do unboxings and specifications and stuff like that on a different videos. These are just items I picked up from Walmart earlier today. Today is the Sunday, August 23rd. Grab all these things and pull them out of the bag. All of this was $206. You know, a lot of it was these expensive cables that I have on the side. So there's that guy, this guy, and this guy. A bag. A brush. And we grabbed another flag. So this is a 4-foot by 6-foot with grommets, 100% nylon, exclusive of decoration, fade-resistant brass grommets, embroidered stars, sewn stripes. This is made by Betsy's Flags, proudly 100% made in the United States. Try to get that. There you go. So these are the items I picked up. These 3 items were pretty much what was expensive. This guy right here was $69. This guy was $39, and this guy was $38. And they were at these items were actually on sale. This 100-watt one was supposed to be $69 as well, and this one was supposed to be $59. This one's rang up at $38 instead of the $59. This one rang up as $39.88 instead of $69, and this one rang up as $69 even. The flag cost me $29.93. The platinum brush was $9.97, and the camera bag was on sale. I did a video about this bag before. A few weeks ago, actually. Here's the same bag. This bag has actually got my studio recorder in it. This one I bought at Target because I was looking for this bag at Walmart, but I couldn't find it anywhere. But I bought this bag at Target for $31. Just happened that, because this bag says it on the back, says Adventure SH122, or 120 with Roman numeral 2. This one says the same thing, Adventure SH120 Roman numeral 2 on the back. It's this exact same bag. Difference is that this one I got for $5. And I really like this bag, but Target only had one. You know, so I basically saved $26. Got this one for $5, so I grabbed another one. I do really like this bag, that's why I picked it up. I grabbed this brush. I'm not really sure what these bristles are. It just states that they are synthetic bristles. It's scratch-free, swirl-free. Platinum series from Walmart. I have a lot of their microfiber towels and rags and several other of their Platinum series stuff. They changed the label, but this will help scrub some dirt off the vehicle whenever I do the cleaning. The flag, I picked it up because I'll take you guys outside. This might be not so quick of a video, but I'll take you outside and show you guys. Turn the light off. So these 3 screws were where the flag mount was before, and the flag basically came out up above this door awning. I moved the flag over here, so the flag pole's actually right here, and I mounted it to the wall. These holes were already here, but they didn't fit this bracket. It fit some older plastic bracket, and this bracket is the one that was mounted over there on the awning that I decided to put here. Kind of wish I would have moved the holes up a little further, but you know, it is what it is. Kind of would have preferred it to have been the height of the awning, which would have been clearly up here, probably right above, but you know, I can always see if I can get the pole and just put, you know, unbolt this and sit it up there, see if it even sit close to that or if it would hit the roof. But that's where the flagpole is. I haven't had a flag up in about 2 years or so, so I figured, you know, I'll just go grab a flag real quick since I mounted that, and hang a flag back up. The last flag, I don't know if somebody tore it down or it was you know, the wind caught it, picked it up and pulled the whole pole off, but the pole actually flew out of that bracket. This guy, it actually says vlogger's choice, which I thought was interesting because it's got the YouTube emblem on it. This little battery pack, it will put out 100 watt. It's a hyper gain tech pack. Has 1 USB-C port and 2 USB-A ports, charge up to 3 devices. Comes with a 30 watt USB-C wall charger, Hyper PD, a 3-foot USB-C charging cable. This will work for laptops with USB-C ports. Also charges USB chargeable smartphones and tablets. And 3-in-1 charge up to 3 devices. And when you open the box up and you look at some of the specs, recharge it, plug it, power it. Power it, push the start button to start charging devices. It's got a fuel meter, recharge it. Your micro USB or USB-C cables to recharge the hypercharger. USB-C in and out. Hyper Boost allows an Apple or Android device to charge up to 2% per minute, up to 100 watts of max power for hypercharge compatible laptops. USB-A out, up to 20 watts hypercharging for an Apple or Android device with Hyper Boost technology. Please press to open. It's this guy right here. It allows you to open the box. So I figure, we might as well give it a shot. It looks like a pretty nice unit. Ultimate USB-C portable charger. This port right here shows the diagram. This port is the 100 watt input output. USB-A 18 watt output, which is the green. And USB-A 12 watt output, which is the black USB 2 port. I like that it comes with a 30 watt wall brick. And then I also grabbed, this guy right here, which is 100 watt PD, 100 watt, and USB 12 watt. So this has a USB port on it as well. This one plugs into a wall. This one's a charging brick. That's the only difference. The PD USB-C supercharger is part number JUP2290. Johnny Ultimate Paul 290. USB Type A with auto balance output. This says USB-C MacBook, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Dell Inspiron, a couple different Dells, XPS 13, Vostro, HP, Chromebooks, ThinkPads, consoles, Nintendo Switch, Switch Lite, tablets, USB-C iPad, Pixel C, Surface Pro, smartphones, Galaxy S8 or later, LG G7, Pixel, Sony Xperia. You know, these are just items that it's got on the list. I have a Note 10 that, you know, it's capable of taking a 65 watt PD USB-C charging. So I figured, you know, we might give this a try. I don't want to spend the $90 or more for the 65 watt capable Samsung branded charger, and you know, 39 bucks. I'll give it a try. This one is 65 watts. USB-C laptop charger with power delivery. This one says fast charging for laptops and other USB-C devices. Power delivery automatically adjusts to power needs of your device. Works with most USB-C charged devices, including Apple, Dell, HP, Asus, Acer, Lenovo, ON, Samsung, Sony, and Toshiba. Spec 65 watt laptop charger with power delivery and USB-C power cord 9 foot. LED power indicator, overcurrent, heat, and short circuit protection. Travel friendly, AC plug folds up to 180 degrees. Capable cable management strap, input AC 100 to 240 volt. Output DC 5, 9, 15, and 3 amp power delivery. 20 volts, 3.25 amp max. This one has a little lid you can open up and look at it. You know, I figured to give them a try. This one's 65 watts. This one's 100 watts. The part number on this guy, might be 10004337. It says 2020 Walmart. ON is trademark of Walmart. ON is Walmart's new brand. This is the J5 Create brand, which I have a few items made by this company, and I really love them. Even though they're a lot of them are pricey, I really like them. This one is called Hypercharger Max. It is a 20,800 milliamp battery bank, which is really compact compared to my 20,000 milliamp bank, because I have a 20,000 milliamp bank that is actually, let me look at this, from the bottom of this, it's actually actually it's about as tall as the box. From the bottom, from here, the bottom of this unit to the top of this box, but it's also a lot narrower. So this one, you know, I haven't got it out of the box. It could be actually quite wide and just short, but it says linear flux on the side, so what it looks like is branded on the actual charger. I figured I'd give this one a try. It says vlogger's choice, 3-in-1, and you know, the lady that took it off the rack for me when I wanted to look at it, she kind of dropped it. It landed on another electronic box, you know, like a keyboard box, but if there's anything wrong with it, I can always go back to Walmart and get it exchanged. It says Laraflux on the side on this little tag. It helps you open it. I'll do a separate unboxing of these items. I do appreciate your guys' time. You know, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the like button, or well, smush the like button and smush the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Also on this best use gauge for this flag, it has light winds, windy and wet, and very windy. It's in the center of windy and wet for this flag. You know, I already stated to go check out or hit the bell notification icon if you guys want future updates. But please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links down below. And I will be doing more videos on the upcoming Milwaukee NPS, aka Pipeline 2020 episode events that will be going on for the next few months. I'll do live streams on those. I do already have episode 1 up. If you guys want to go check out that video, what Milwaukee Tools has coming out. And I also put links in there if you guys want to pre-order any of those tools. Will help me out. Much appreciated. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please stick around. Hopefully I didn't bore you. And I'll be doing a video on these 3 devices, unboxings on these 3 devices. Oops, several times it's been dropped today. I'll be doing videos on these devices. I'm not going to do another video on the brush. I will probably do a video just showing the flags up, and you know, I already did a in-depth video of why I like this bag. So next videos coming up after this video would be these 3 guys in an unboxing, and we're gonna check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.